Welcome to Unlocking Financial Opportunities. 5 ways to make money in 2024. Remote freelancing. In the digital era, remote freelancing has become a powerhouse. Dive into platforms where your skills shine bright, from content creation to programming. Online business ventures. Venture into the online business realm. Explore e-commerce, dropshipping, and find your niche. Platforms like Shopify and Amazon await your entrepreneurial spirit. Investment in cryptocurrencies. Unlock the potential of cryptocurrency investments. Dive into the world of decentralized finance. Stay informed and watch your investments grow. Gig economy opportunities. Tap into the gig economy for quick and flexible income. From food delivery to ride-sharing, embrace the freedom of gig work. Emerging technologies and skills. Future-proof your income by acquiring skills in emerging technologies. AI, virtual reality, and blockchain. The future is in your hands. As we wrap up our journey through financial possibilities, remember to explore, diversify, and adapt. The world of opportunities in 2024 is yours to unlock. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of financial possibilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more content. Until next time, keep thriving.